Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to construct a 3D part model in Autodesk Inventor software and learn the Autodesk Inventor basic commands. So let's get started. Here go to new, take a standard part in millimeter and go to create. Now take a 2D sketch. Here we are going to select the XY plane, take the rectangle command, take here 2-point rectangle and make a rectangle profile. Okay. Now go to horizontal constraint. Here select this green center point of rectangle, okay, and select this yellow point. So this will be vertically aligned. Okay, go to dimension, define the height as 56 mm, okay, and the width here will be of 140 mm. Now here take coincident constraint, select this point and select the center point. Okay, now take the circle command and make a circle over here of diameter 70, enter. From same center make circle of dia 40. Okay, now go to dimension. From bottom this will be at a height of 76 mm, and here take the vertical constraint, select the center point and select the center. Okay, now this is fully constrained. Now I will trim this outer profile of the dia 70. So go to trim command, trim this profile, okay, trim this line and trim this line. Now go to horizontal constraint, select this point and select this point. Okay, now finish sketch. Now here take extrude command. I'll extrude this profile. I'll take a single direction extrude and take distance as 25 mm. Okay, and press OK here. Now go to fillet command and take a fillet radius here of 15 mm, and here I'll select this edge, rotate and select this edge. Now press OK. Now here select this face, go to create sketch, take here circle command and make one circle here of diameter 10, and similarly here a circle of diameter 10. Now go to dimension. Here from bottom the center will be at a distance of 28 mm, okay, and the center to center distance between these two circles here will be 108 mm. Now go to horizontal constraint, select the center point and select the center point. Now here go to dimension, select the center point, and here we will take half distance of 108. So write 108 by 2 and enter. Okay, so this will be a 54 mm. Now finish sketch, take extrude, select both the profiles. Here I will flip the direction to cut. The depth will be 25 mm and press OK. So this will be a through cut. Here also you can see. Okay. Now here go to part 1. Now I will make this profile over here. So go to part 3. Now for this profile go to plane, take offset from plane, select this face. So we have to generate a new plane. I will take a distance here minus 35 mm. So a new plane will be made at offset of 35 mm from this face. Press OK. Now select this plane, go to create sketch, and here take the line command and make one line here, escape, go to line command once again, select this bottom edge and make one line here. Now escape. Now go to the arc command and we will take here 3-point arc. Select this point and select this end point and make one arc profile here. Okay. Now here go to tangent constraint, select this arc and select this bottom line, and here take the line command and I'll join this profile and escape to make it a close profile. Now go to dimension, and here, okay, we have to select the height here. So I'll change it to home, go to dimension, and I'll select this point over here and select this bottom line. So the height over here will be of 45 mm, okay, and the distance of this point from this edge, the horizontal distance will be of 40 mm, okay. I'll change it to right view, okay, and this will be a 10 mm, okay. Finish sketch. Now take extrude. So it is going outside, so I'll flip the direction, and this will be a joining profile, and the distance here will be of 15 mm, and press OK. Okay. Now I want same profile this side as well. So go to mirror feature, select this profile, go to mirror plane, go to origin, and here we are going to select the YZ plane and press OK. Okay. Now select this plane, right click, turn off the visibility. Now select this face, go to create sketch, take the circle command, and here from the center point make a circle of diameter 10, enter. Finish sketch, take extrude, here take cut, and here we will take all. So this will be a through cut. Now press OK. Okay. Now here I'll define the appearance. So I've taken here a cyan color. You can take any. Okay. So this will be the final output. Okay. So this was a basic tutorial to how to construct a 3D part model in Autodesk Inventor software. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.